teeth feel fine. Why should I even go to the dentist? Like, I am good. Like, I'm good.
And you know what? It's really a fair question. I mean, if nothing hurts, everything must be okay, right? Here is the thing that I really want everybody to understand. Not feeling pain doesn't always mean that you're in the clear. I want to talk about why visiting your dentist every 6 months matters, even when your teeth feel totally fine. So think of your mouth like a home. Now imagine there's a tiny leak in the roof, and you don't notice it at first. There's no dripping, there's no stains on the drywall. Everything seems okay. But behind the wall, water is creeping in. And by the time you notice it, the damage is already done. And it's too late for just a small fix. You need a full repair. And that's what can happen in your mouth. By the time something hurts, the problem may already be too large or too big for a simple fix. Now, when you come in every 6 months, we're not just checking for pain. We're looking for things that you can't see or feel yet. Here's what we're trained to find before they cause major trouble. We're looking at things like cavities. We're looking at things like tartar and plaque and calculus hiding underneath your gums or even between your teeth. We're looking at things like cracks in your teeth. We're looking at things like that. We're looking at oral cancers. Yes, we screen for cancer too. Let me tell you about a patient that I had. Let's just call her Denise. She was like 29. I think she worked like 2 jobs, and she took care of her nieces on the weekend while her sister worked. She was super busy. And you know what? Her teeth really didn't hurt. So she skipped going to the dentist for like 3 years, right? Then one day, boom, a sharp pain. She came in to see me, and we found a deep cavity that had already reached the nerve. She needed a root canal and a crown. If she had just come in 6 months earlier, it's likely that she may have just needed to have a small filling. So I'm going to answer a question. So why every 6 months? Why not just once a year? Most dental problems like cavities or gum disease, they really start small and grow slowly over time. But they don't go away on their own. 6 months gives us a perfect window to catch these issues while they're still easy to treat and less invasive. It's kind of like you getting an oil change before your engine breaks down. If you had gum problems in the past or other health issues and other conditions like diabetes, we might even want to see you even more frequently. One of the things that I really want patients to kind of understand, and that's kind of why I have a lot of videos about calculus and plaque and stuff like that, because it really leans into some of the issues that you can't necessarily take care of on your own at home. And I believe by giving you guys information about the plaque and the calculus and the tartar and all that stuff, really helps you to empower you with your oral health and your oral well-being, right? It's important to understand that even if you brush twice a day and you floss like a champ, like you floss, after you eat, you floss in the morning, you floss at night, there's still things that you just can't reach. At your cleaning, we remove hard tartar, also known as calculus. We polish your enamel, which doesn't grow back, and we check the health of your gums using a periodontal probe. All of these keys coupled together help us to get a good track record of where you are and where we would like you to continue to be. So imagine trying to clean your own back molars the way we can with the dental tools that we use. It's just not the same thing. You need a professional to do these types of cleanings most times. And that's why we're here. That's what we're here to help you to do, to fine tune what it is that you're doing at home. And that's why home care is so important. Think of your mouth like a garden, right? And I know I'm just throwing all this stuff out like this, but I think it's kind of helped to bring it down to the simple. So you water your plants, you pull the weeds, and everything looks good on the surface. But what if bugs are eating at the roots under the ground? You wouldn't know it unless you had someone to inspect it, right? Or you had some type of special tool or some type of special training. Dental visits are just like that. We're here to help keep the roots healthy, help keep the teeth healthy, help keep your gums healthy, help keep your overall health healthy. What if you're scared and embarrassed? And I get that. Let me pause for a second and just speak from my heart, because I truly have a passion for dentistry and helping others. So if it's been a while for you and you are really nervous about, being judged, or if you've had a bad experience before, please hear me. You are not alone. And a good dental office are full of people who want to help you, not hurt you or shame you. We want to help you feel safe, seen, and supported. Coming in for checkups is one of the strongest and most courageous things that you can do for yourself, especially when you have dental fear and it's been a long time. You have to be really courageous to do that. Here's what I want you to do and start to do today. The first thing is you need to schedule an exam and a cleaning, even if it's been years. You need to set a reminder every 6 months to continue to do this. And I need you to keep brushing twice a day, flossing at least once a day. Yes, really, please, and thank you. And then when you get to the dentist, ask questions about your overall care and what it is that you need for you. Most people wouldn't drive their car 30,000 miles without an oil change. Why? Because even if it still runs, it's wearing down on the inside. And your smile is the same thing. You might not feel anything, but maintenance prevents breakdowns happening at later times. And unlike a car, you only get one set of teeth. You can change the engine, you can change the tires, you can change all of the things on a car. But for you, you only have one set of teeth. And once they're gone, they're gone. So even if everything feels okay, do the strong thing. Book a checkup, show up for your future self, and keep showing up for the people who count on you, because all of this is connected. You're worth it, and I am here to help you every step of the way. You guys be blessed. I'll talk to you real soon.